In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Tap and Pay in OnePlus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tap and Pay is a feature available on most modern smartphone models that makes it extremely convenient to make contactless in-store payments. So using Tap and Pay on a OnePlus device primarily revolves around utilizing the device's NFC capabilities. So all that you have to do is first set up a digital wallet. Most people will use the Google Wallet, but if you have other alternatives, you can go ahead and use them. The main thing is that you will have to enable NFC. So go into the settings on your OnePlus app and go to Bluetooth and device connection. Usually under this category, you will find NFC. Depending on which model you have, it isn't going to be under Bluetooth and device connection. It could be under connection and sharing or other categories, so this is why I recommend just using the search function to look for NFC. Once you find NFC, you can tap on it to enable it, and you will find the default payment application set up at the bottom. Like I said, if you have the Google Wallet or Google Pay, it should appear right away. But if you have a different digital wallet, make sure to choose accordingly. As long as NFC is enabled, you don't have to do anything else. NFC is the technology that allows you to use your phone to issue the contactless payments. Now you can open any wallet that you have and set up a card inside. You need to set up the payment method. Just enabling NFC won't be enough. You can also look for Quick Pay settings, which usually refers to the option to tap and pay. Not all models are going to have this category, but if you see it here, you can also set up the default payment method. There is a video for instructions, and you can enable screen off Quick Pay. But all that you have to do for most models is to enable NFC and then set up the payment method on the default payment app that you have set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Tap and Pay in OnePlus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.